In the Philippines, around 1 to 10 people do not have access to improved water resources. That's according to a World Bank study. As stated in World.org, out of 105 million Filipinos, nearly 7 million rely on an improved and safe and sustainable water, Mr. President. Subalit, kung titingnan po natin ang mission and vision statement ng Manila Water, ang nakalagay po doon sa kanila, to create, and I quote, to create an exceptional customer experience in the provision of sustainable solutions vital to health and life. Sa Manila Water naman po nakalagay sa kanilang mission to provide safe, affordable, sustainable water solutions. Ang nangyari po nito mga nakaraang araw, kagaya po na narinig natin kanina kay Senator Go, nagkaroon po ng desisyon ang Permanent Court of Arbitration sa Singapore para payagan ang Manila Water at ang Maynilad na magtaas ng kanilang rates. Natatandaan ko pa Mr. President, nung nakaraang taon, bilang isang mamamayan, ako po ay nag-file ng petition. Can we show the slides, please? I filed the petition last year, December 12, 2018, almost a year to be exact. I filed another petition January 14, 2019, another petition March 2, 2019. Dumulog po ako sa MWSS, tinatanong ko po at nag-propose ako, bakit tinataas ang presyo ng tubig? Hindi po ako sinasagot ng MWSS. Wala po ako natanggap na reply kahit po meron batas na 15 days dapat po sila mag-reply.